Guys, yeah, it's me again. Yeah, it's me again. Okay, so we've got this power supply here. Somebody's been there. Some reason he just thought like bridging that fuse there will solve the problem. Yeah, problem is still not solved. So let's see what's causing this. Since the problem, okay, what is this now? Oh, okay, so I would say something was here. Judging from this. Okay, I didn't even see this. So judging from this, I would say something was here. So there was some type of explosion here. Oh, there's a short, most likely here, because this wasn't supposed to be there. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we can see that now. So something happened right in the middle here. So since we have this as a hint, um, let's just test here straight away. Yep. Okay, cool. So this is also an area to check after that. So we'll replace this chip here and the fuse because I'm hoping that it just stops there. Yeah, this should be fine. If this is okay, so the other side should be okay. Let's also take a look here. There's no short whatsoever. Okay, nothing there. No short. Over here, that's normal. Yeah, so I think that's just it. Okay, there's some work that's being done there onto the store next door. So bear with me on this one. Okay, so I think they paused or something. So let's remove this guy here. Um, okay, should be another something to hold it in place. Yeah, this one here. I think these two here maybe. I don't know. I'm just thinking. Could be on. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, let's try to remove this guy here. Okay, that's off. Yeah, okay, cool. So, with these other three here, yeah, it's hot and burning my fingers there. Okay, this didn't come out properly. There we go. Okay, it's a way to remove this. Come on now, it's already out. There we go. Okay, so culprit is out. That's beautiful. There we go. Come back. Okay, I just made a hole there. Okay, so this one, yeah. Okay, let's just see here. Just notice this now. So We also have this current sensor here. So when you check here, come all the way here. So yeah, this will need replacing. Okay, now at least the short is gone, as you can see there. But this guy here also will need replacing. And we'll still have to check a lot of other things. But let's just replace these ones here, and then we'll get on to the other after that. Before powering up. But for some reason, what I've seen here, okay, no, it's fine. Let's just do this first, and then we'll figure the rest out. Come on. Okay, it's glued in place. Just gotta be careful a little bit because those traces under there, underneath there, sometimes they do break. So just gotta be a little bit careful there. Okay, so yeah, it's off. There we go. So we'll also have to take a look at the traces here. Because sometimes, as I said, when they break, you won't know. You close that power supply, you're done fixing everything. But your thing is not working. So let me just go over. Yeah, already I see a problem there. I don't know, maybe it's just a mask. Okay, maybe it's just a mask. Oh, there's a cut in the line there. Yeah, could be a cut in the line. So if it were to happen to you, just pay attention there. They do break. Okay, yeah, I think that line is broken. Let's test. Well, it's okay. It's not broken. Oh, yeah, it was just the mask that was covering up there. Okay, line is okay. Perfect. Okay, let me find the component and then we'll take it from there. There you guys, I'm back. So, I managed to get a fuse, a new second-hand one, if that makes sense. There's the MOSFET over there and the current sensor. So, yeah, we tested already, so we have continuity there. I thought the line was broken, but it's not. So the line is not broken. What am I doing here? So yeah, line is not broken. Okay, let's put these guys here in place and then we'll do some more testing. So this guy goes over here. Let me just move back a little bit. Okay, I'll just apply some heat there. Not too much. Yep, that's enough. Sit in place. Okay, I need to make these holes bigger. I don't know. This sucker's not working properly. Yep, there we go. Bigger hole there. Okay, so this guy here is gonna go to the bottom. Okay, so it goes here. Okay, so yep, that's in. Let's flip it. Now we'll apply solder here. One, two, and the third one. Boom. Okay, so that's sorted. Let's move on to the main fuse here. So it's easy peasy. So just go here. There's a hole in there, and the fuse goes there. Flip it. It's best to move it a little bit that way, bend it a little bit that way so that it doesn't fall off. Apply some solder. So I would say right now we are looking good. We are looking good right now. Okay, so let's see. We need to test. Well, we need to do more testing before plugging it in, because you never know. Things can go just so sideways quickly when it comes to fixing power supply. I'll post another video there of a failed power supply repair. You'll see what happens. So why shouldn't be messing with this? Okay, where were we? So need to test our gas here. And those who've been watching for a while will know we're expecting to get within specs. Okay, guys, check here. Okay, let me bring this guy here. Okay, I'll do it this way. Zoom out. Okay, so let me just figure out a way of putting it so you guys can see too. Okay, so over here we're expecting basically to see 10 ohms. So we're getting 9.95. And we come over here, what are we getting? 2.93. So so if we were to close this thing and fire it up, there would have been an explosion or something like that. Something would have gone wrong. This chip here is controlled by this guy here, right? So it's either this MOSFET is bad, or this chip here is the one that's faulty, or it could still be something else. But let's start with this since it's easier to remove. If we remove that, we're still not getting the right readings. And now we'll have to replace this one here, which will most likely will be the issue. But for testing, let's start here. Because sometimes you'll see the problem in one place, but you're just thinking, let me just replace those two there and then the other side should be fine. Now you must always check for applying power, because once you apply power and there's a short, if you didn't pay attention, okay, it will be an interesting day. Okay, so let's see. Let's go back here and see what we're getting now. We're expecting to get 10 ohms. So let's see. As you can see there, we're still very low. Okay, so now let's do this. So this guy here is linked to this, as you can see here, right? And this one here should be linked to, yeah, there we go. So this one is linked to here, and this one is linked to here. But despite that, you can see this one here goes to this diodes, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. And even the readings are not correct there. Look, you see, we're getting funny readings. So basically, we're supposed to get. Let me just show you here the difference. You will see here the type of readings we're expecting to get here. If I put it this way, it should be reading this way, right? And you flip it around, it could be reading this still. But when it's this way, yeah, this is what you're expecting to be reading. So to me, I would say this MOSFET could be good. Yeah, I think it's good. I don't think there's a problem with it. But mostly I'll be suspecting this chip here. So let's remove it, and then we'll see. Oh, okay, just hang on a second. I know it's connected there, but let's see. Let's just say for testing purposes. We're trying to learn something here. Okay. So we're also having a short over here. Okay, which one is ground? Let's just see which one is ground. So, okay, so that pad is ground. Supposed to. Okay, until this thing heats up again properly, I'll add more solder there. So let's just see here. Another thing we see. So this is ground, right? And if you go over here, we have a short there, right? We move, and we have another short here. So let's find another one. Okay, let's see. Let's just test. We have a short there, but we're not getting a short over there, right? As you see. So this is ground. There's a short. Yeah, that's normal, but over here we're not getting a short. So which means we could be having an issue here too. Yeah, so we can always remove it just to see if the short is still there, and if we'll get a different reading here after removing that. It's just testing, so we're just troubleshooting right now. We do not know yet. Yeah, I went a little bit too hard there. Okay, so okay, what am I doing here? Boom. Okay, let's just move it around. Okay, perfect. That's off. I think that should be the same pin there. Okay, not a problem. Let's zoom in so you guys can see better there. I wasn't paying attention to the camera, so I don't know if you guys saw the testing there. So we were testing there. We were reading a short on this pin. Which one is it now? Okay, we're getting a short on the second pin, I think. Right? That's normal. I think that should be normal. But when we move to the fourth one, and we're still getting a short. Right? So, which I know for sure isn't normal. It isn't normal. So we're still getting a short there, so which means this IC could still be good. So we'll just put it on the side there. Okay, are we shorting here? No, we're not shorting there. Are we shorting here? We're not shorting there. Are we shorting here? We're not shorting there. We're not. Oh, there we go. Okay, I think we got our short. Check this out. I think over here was okay, I would say. But when it comes over here, we are shorting. This diode is shorting. It shouldn't be shorting. Okay, we're also shorting here. Yeah, we're also shorting here. So definitely, yeah, let's take this guy out. Let's take it out. I went a long way just to be safe, but let's take it off. Let's take it off. Let's take it off. It's my life. It's my life. Turn the music up. Okay, where is that thing? Okay, there we go. It's my IC remover. Okay, that's off. Okay, let's see now. Even though we were short over there. And here comes down here. Boom. Okay, are we still shorting? Obviously not. We're not shorting over there. Let's come back. Yeah. Let's come back out. Okay, let's come back out. Let's test for 10 ohms. Funny thing is, we are still not getting 10 ohms. We are still not getting 10 ohms. Yep, we're still not getting 10 ohms. So we could still be, this will be an interesting one. Okay, let's see. What are we reading now? Still having a wrong reading there, so I'll definitely won't be trusting this guy here. Yeah, this guy tastes fine. But yeah, let's remove this one, yeah. Okay, so I was talking to somebody there. Okay, let's remove this one here. I was expecting this to be a quick fix, but it's not being a quick fix. Yeah, it's not working anyway. So back again. Yeah, so we took this guy off. This diode is off. Let's see again. Let's check for 10 ohms. Yeah, so over here. Okay, where is that thing? It's way too far. Okay, so 10 ohms over there. Is there any change now? Let's see. Yeah, so we're getting about 9.94, which is normal. So from this, I would say we have to replace this guy here, replace this one here. I'm putting this guy here back. No, let me just take it off. Yeah, since it's off, let's just put another one in to be on the safe side. So where are we gonna get all this? Yep, we're gonna get all this from here. I think we have what we need. So yeah, let me pause. I'll take all the whatever I need and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So let's just prep the surface or surfaces. Okay, let's go. Um, where is it? Let me just zoom in. Maybe I'll be able to see clearly there. I think this goes this way here. If I'm wrong, I'll fix it up anyway. Okay, so let's use the multimeter as I can see properly. Multimeter will tell me if I'm wrong or right. And let's see, so negative here, and there we go, so I'm right. That's that. Um, for those looking for part number, apply. When you have this type of short here, you still might think like you've done enough already, because mostly you find the short and replace all that. You check your home readings, everything looks fine, but you're not done yet. You are not done yet. Why am I saying that? Okay, let's go back to testing again. Let's go back to testing again. Okay, let's see. Let's see now. Well, so over the year, we're getting our 10 ohms. The 10 ohms, that's sorted out. If you look here, let me zoom out. Zoom out. So, over here, we test here, we're getting our 10 ohms. So our 10 ohms issue over here, it's sorted out, right? That's perfect. Over here also with Shobi, yeah, 9 point something, that's okay. It's not the end of the world. You can always live with that. If it doesn't power up, we'll always replace this and we'll see what happens. So, um, I know I've worked on this already. I've had, not this power supply, but I had another power supply that had basically the same issue. So now, there is a part where, let me zoom in and fire this light up so you guys can see the. So you see this guy over here? Yeah. Okay, let's see if you get a better angle. Let me just find an angle where everything shows up perfectly. So this area here, I know I've worked on another possible that basically the same issue. If you check here, we have some type of reading there. So we're getting about 4.6 ohms, right? We're getting about 4.6 ohms. And then we move here. This, okay, move up here. We're not getting anything. We were supposed to get something over here, right? It was supposed to beep. It supposed to be a continuity there. And over here, we have some type of reading. Let's see, what are we getting as reading? We're getting about 16.7 ohms. Boy, oh, I can't see it. You can't see it, huh? Okay. So we're getting about 16.2 actually. We come over here, that's normal, and this will also be normal because it's linked to this guy here. So this short over here, don't panic when you see that, that's normal. Though you can still remove this, or you can remove this guy here and you'll see that short will be gone. So we have our reading over here, and then here we've got nothing. Let me show another power supply. I'll show you here. There you go. And over here too, that's normal, normal, normal. And yeah, we're supposed to get some type of reading, as I was saying there last time. Let's see what we're getting. Okay, so now you can see there. It says 4.7 or 4.72. Now this is the funny part. Let me show you guys here. Let me zoom out. I need to zoom out. Okay, so let's check the readings now on this power supply compared to the other. So this is what we're getting. Here, that's normal, 0.0. Okay, here, this is what we're getting. 5.65. And over here, it's definitely ground. It's continuity there, that's okay. And over here, we're getting 5.65. So now check this power supply out. Oh, this reading here over here can lie to you. So over here, we have, come over here, come close. There we go. So we're getting 0 there, that's normal. And over here, we're getting 16.38 ohms, which is completely wrong. Even though you're getting a good reading there, but that reading is wrong. Okay, so we go over here, and we're not getting anything because it's shorted out. And over here, we're getting 4.65. So, which tells us that these two guys here have to go. This is a long video, but yeah, those who will stay longer will learn something. Those who will skip, yeah, that's on there. Those who are still watching, congratulations, you just learned something there important. Because we all like to skip videos, man. Like, I already know what this guy's going to do, so. Yeah, it's a long video, but it's an important one, so. This thing, I'm getting, well, hopefully I'll be getting a new solar iron soon. Because this guy, yeah, really is messing me around. So he just created a new feature where you have to knock it on the table in order for it to work. Crazy. Okay, so which one? These two guys, yeah, I'll remove this one. Okay, now let's just see. Why were we getting 16 ohms if we'll still be getting the same reading? Okay, right now we're not getting anything, right? Which is normal. Anyway, okay, let's take this guy here from here and put it there. Okay, let's take this one here. Cool. So, let's see if something changes. Just wanna see all this now. Okay, so let's just go beep. It's better. Okay, over here. Yeah. So let's go back up again so you guys can see. We're in continuity mode or diode mode. Sometimes they call it like that. Come here, and we're getting 4.65. So let's take just another power supply for good measures, so we know for sure that we're getting the same readings there. You see? Okay, let me bring it down. See, I was saying, I'm gonna come over here, should be 00 or something. Perfect. And over here will be 002. Okay, guys, I think it's now time to test, and then hope that everything we've done was worth it. Right? And hope that everything we've done was worth it. For that, let me just add some hot air just to make everything look presentable. Put some hot air there so everything sits down properly. That's in place. So in place. Also in place. Yep, pulls itself in place. What else? Okay, yeah, I need to add some solar over here, as I was saying in the beginning there. Okay, this solar, I'm tired of it. Okay, this shall do. Yep, nice. Very nice. Okay, so that's it there. More cleanup. So if everything went well, should be having a good working power supply. If it doesn't still that way, we might have to replace this, but I don't think so. So let me just go back to my testing. Long video, but yeah, we're making sure that everything's okay. So it's not short over here. That's okay. We are shorting here before. That short is gone. We are shorting there too. We'll put prop to ground. Uh, that's okay for it to short. No short there. Short here. It was shorting there. It's no longer shorting. Okay, let's make sure nothing is touching. They're not touching each other. We are shorting here also. No short whatsoever. Yeah, it's also good. Okay, guys. Yeah. So let's test this power supply here and hope for the best. Let's see here. So we've got power going in. Let's see if you're getting standby. There hasn't been an explosion yet. Are we getting a standby there? Let's see. Well, we have standby definitely. Yep, we definitely have standby. So I'm gonna step back just in case. Let's see. It is working. It is working, guys. It is working. That was a long process. Oh, God, I'm tired. It is working. It is sorted out. Okay, let's see if we're able to what. But yeah, it was a long video, guys. Sometimes that's what it takes to be able to fix this thing here. Okay, are we rebooting now? Yes, we are. That's a working PS4 now. Okay, guys. Once again, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. So those who have stayed longer might have learned something. Those who's been skipping, well, it does happen. Yeah, it does happen. But yeah, here we go. So we have a working PS4, guys, and see you on the next one. Turn this thing off. Okay, it's still doing whatever. See you guys on the next one. Bye.